guys, this is Waterfront Road. You'll see the signs here for Waterfront in Miami, and we are now going to take you up to Waterhaven Bed and Breakfast. This will be a little instructional video how to get there. It's a little small road, it's a little bumpy. Not much maintenance has been done on it, so be a little careful around the corners here, as sometimes motorbikes are coming flying down here. Distance from the road, from the main road, is about 300 meters. Straight ahead there you see the Miami Hotel and the Waterfront big sign up here. You see it coming up straight ahead. There's like a little gate boom here, and we're not going there. We are turning left right before this concrete wall and going up towards Westwind Beach Resort. And from here it's about 1 kilometer up to the Waterhaven. Waterhaven is located right next to Frieza Marina. So maybe I turned the fan off on the car. It's hot. We're running the AC full speed, and we ended up behind this little slow going trike, but we are in no hurry. It's a straight shot up to Waterhaven from here. Out to the right you will have the beach. You can see it actually through the buildings and bushes here. And we are almost there. 3 more minutes, we should be up there. So I did this little video to give you a little view of how to get there. It's not hard to find. What's hard to find is that Waterfront Road. But if you remember again, the signs for Waterfront and Miami Beach Resort, those are the landmarks to look for when you're on the highway. Whether you come from Balanga or coming from Subic, it doesn't really matter. If you're coming from Balanga, you make a left into Waterfront Road, and if you're coming from Subic, you're making a right. So no big deal. But it's a beautiful terrain here. A lot of construction going on. There is up there to the right, I think they're planning another big resort. So this is an expanding place, growing leaps and bounds, as they say. also at farm countries. Straight ahead of us right now, you see the Frieza Marina Resort, and the very next building here, once we get up the hill, is Waterhaven Bed and Breakfast. So our journey is almost over. The parking for customers, is on the right here. You see, here's the Frieza Marina entrance. We're just passing that right now, and the very next building here with the wall you see we're passing right now is Waterhaven Bed and Breakfast, and you just simply park right here. Don't go too far, you will end up in the river, but that's the way it is. All right, so here is the resort, and as you see on the wall, you can't miss it really. There is a resort down there. If you get all the way down there, you're going too far, but this is kind of the last one here, and Frieza Marina is right there, and this is Waterhaven, guys, and you have it right there. You enter in here to the right through this gate. If the owner is not here, well, he's always here, but if he's not out and about, just make sure you knock on that little door behind the car here. You can walk in there and knock on the door and say, hey, we're here, we're here, we're here. All right, hope this will help you to get in here, and here we are. So go ahead, give us a call. Book now, 0960-561-8530.